Welcome to the IVA Hustle channel. Today we're talking about getting started with freelancing, tips and tricks for finding your first clients. First, it's important to have a clear understanding of your skills and what you can offer as a freelancer. This will help you identify potential clients and industries that align with your expertise. Next, create a professional portfolio or website that showcases your work and highlights your skills. This is a great way to attract potential clients and demonstrate your capabilities. Networking is also key when it comes to finding clients as a freelancer. Attend industry events, join online groups and forums, and connect with other freelancers to expand your network and increase your chances of finding work. Another great way to find clients is by reaching out to businesses and organizations directly. This can be done through cold emailing, or by reaching out to companies on LinkedIn. Make sure to personalize your message and highlight how you can help them achieve their goals. Lastly, be persistent and don't give up. Finding clients as a freelancer can take time, but if you stay dedicated and continue to market yourself, you will ultimately be successful. Starting a freelance career can be daunting, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can find success and build a steady stream of clients. Remember to focus on your skills, create a professional portfolio, network, reach out to potential clients, and stay persistent. If you have any questions or tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you'll be alerted to our new uploads and won't miss out on our content. You can also grab a copy of the IVA Hustle How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle guide on Amazon. Transform your passion into profit with IVA Hustle's How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle. This comprehensive guide will show you how to turn your expertise into a thriving side business. From identifying your unique skills to developing a solid business plan, this book will be your roadmap to financial success. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or simply have a wealth of knowledge, this book will teach you how to turn your skills into a profitable side hustle. Get your copy of IVA Hustle's How to Turn Your Expertise into a Profitable Side Hustle on Amazon now and start your journey to financial independence today. You'll find a link in the description below. That's it for this week. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.